Today we will be installing a serpentine belt on a 2009 Nissan Maxima. This Nissan Maxima needs a serpentine belt as well as a belt tensioner, but today we will only be installing the serpentine belt. Now, before we install the serpentine belt, will be a good time for you to take a picture of the sequence of the serpentine belt, the diagram of the serpentine belt, meaning just take a picture of how it is before you disassemble it so you can install it the same way that you uninstalled it, and that you will know exactly where to put the belt because it goes under and above certain pulleys. There is a 13 millimeter bolt that is on the belt tensioner. You need a 13 millimeter socket with a 13 millimeter ratchet. You need to push the ratchet downward in a downward position in order to release the tension off the belt. Once you release the tension off the belt, then you can grab on a section of the belt to start pulling it. The belt is very close to the frame of the vehicle, or the fender of the vehicle rather, so you need to adjust the belt in order to get it off. You'll be able to figure it out. Just kind of flex the belt in certain areas to get it off of the fender so you can then uninstall this belt and detach the belt. Once you get the belt detached, you want to then grab a new belt, of course, and then take the picture that you took and just look over the picture so you can reassemble the belt in the exact same way that you took it off, as far as the pulley configuration of where the belt needs to loop around certain pulleys and above certain pulleys. And once you get that taken care of, then you can start applying the tension back on the belt. So right here, we're getting everything looped up properly, getting the belt around the pulleys properly, and getting ready to put some tension on the belt very soon once I got everything figured out of how it should be installed. Now is the time to double check and make sure that the belt is all the way on the pulley, 100% in the center of each pulley. Now, as I stated, this vehicle needs a belt tensioner, so that will be replaced soon in another video. It was a struggle with the belt tensioner on this particular vehicle because it would not release tension in order to get the belt back on. So that's just a sign that you need a belt tensioner. So if you're having struggles with releasing the tension on this belt tensioner, then you must replace the belt tensioner, or you run a risk of the belt popping off. Now I'm putting the tension on the belt now, right there. Apply the tension, double check, make sure the belt is around each of the pulleys.